The Audi RS3 has always been one of those cars that stood out not only for its performance but also for its unique character. Its 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-5 engine has given enthusiasts something truly special, something that most modern cars have moved away from. That warbling, offbeat soundtrack combined with brutal acceleration made the RS3 a legend in its own right. But now, reports suggest that this chapter might be coming to an end, and it could be sooner than many expected. According to recent news, Audi may discontinue the RS3 in 2027, largely because of the upcoming Euro 7 emissions regulations. These stricter environmental rules are forcing automakers across Europe to either heavily modify their engines to meet the standards or discontinue them altogether. We've already seen similar situations, like the Honda Civic Type R being pulled from the European market due to these same emissions challenges. Now it looks like the 3 Rupees and its 5-cylinder engine could be the next victim. Before we go further, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other car enthusiasts who love the sound of a proper engine. Your support helps us bring you more automotive updates and insights. The RS3 has always been more than just Audi's entry-level performance sedan or hatchback. For many, it was the perfect blend of practicality and power. With quattro all-wheel drive, sharp handling, and that incredible engine, it offered an experience that was different from the competition. While BMW gave us straight 6s and Mercedes focused on 4-cylinder turbo monsters in their compact AMGs, Audi stayed loyal to the 5-cylinder. And that made the RS3 stand apart. Now, according to reports from outlets like Autoblog, the RS3 will not simply disappear quietly. Audi is said to be planning a special send-off in the form of an RS3 GT. This track-focused variant could deliver more than 400 horsepower, improved aerodynamics, and a sharper overall package. It would be a final celebration of the car and its iconic engine before regulations put an end to it. Imagine the RS3 GT is Audi's way of giving enthusiasts one last taste of what the 5-cylinder can truly do before the curtain falls. What makes this even more interesting is how it might affect other cars in the Volkswagen Group. The 2.5-liter inline-5 has also been rumored to make its way into special versions of the Volkswagen Golf R, such as a 25th anniversary edition. But if the engine itself disappears in 2027, that means such a model could exist only for a very short time, making it extremely rare and possibly a future collector's item. This could mark the end of an era not just for Audi but for VW's broader performance lineup. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying this discussion about Audi's future and the fate of the 3 Rupees, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss updates like this. And of course, hit that like button and share the video to keep the conversation going. The discontinuation of the RS3 raises a bigger question about the direction performance cars are heading. Audi has already announced ambitious electrification plans, and by 2033 they intend to stop producing new internal combustion engine vehicles altogether. That means the RS3's departure would be part of a much larger shift in strategy. Instead of raw 5-cylinder engines, we're likely to see electric RS models in the future, cars that deliver instant torque and insane acceleration but without that unique engine sound. For enthusiasts, that's a bittersweet reality. On one hand, electric RS models will probably be quicker and more advanced than ever before. On the other hand, the emotional connection, the sound, the vibration, the feel of a combustion engine, will be gone. The RS3's 5-cylinder wasn't just about numbers, it was about character. It was something you could hear and feel every time you drove. That's not something you can replicate with artificial sound through speakers. Still, Audi isn't going to abandon performance. They've hinted at electric RS models being part of their lineup in the near future. Imagine a fully electric RS3 replacement, instant power, zero emissions, and cutting-edge tech. It would be very different, but it might also redefine what an RS badge means in a new era. For now, though, 2027 feels like a countdown clock for the RS3 as we know it. If you've ever thought about owning one, this might be the last chance before it becomes part of history. And with the rumored RS3 GT coming, Audi might just give us one of the greatest compact performance cars ever made as a farewell gift. So what do you think? Should Audi fight to keep the 5-cylinder alive, maybe through hybridization, or is it time to move on and embrace electrification fully? Let me know in the comments below, I'd love to hear your take on this. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love cars. There are so many changes happening in the automotive world, and together we can keep track of them, celebrate the legends, and debate what the future of performance really means. The RS3 may be on borrowed time, but its legacy is undeniable. That sound, that power, and that unique character have made it one of Audi's finest creations. Whether or not the RS3 lives beyond 2027, one thing is certain, it has already cemented itself as a legend in the performance car world.